If you want to start a healthy diet, you should definitely include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. When it comes to a person's nutrition, some might argue, nevertheless, that particular foods, red meat or canned fruits and vegetables, are worse than others. Actually, several of these items are not entirely awful or unhealthy. Their effects on the body when a person has too much lead them to be sometimes classified as such. Still, many of the items regarded as the worst might still be savored in moderation. Everybody will have varied dietary requirements, hence quantities from many food groups will vary depending on the nutrients one requires. Before creating an eating plan, just be sure you speak with a healthcare provider. They will be able to guide your food choices and offer greater knowledge regarding nutrients. Discover more about healthful foods as well as ones that are excellent for occasional enjoyment right now by watching on this. Excellent healthy foods. From avocado and berries to cottage cheese and ancient grains, here are some of the finest nutritious meals you should aim at. Dark, leafy green vegetables. Among the finest sources of vitamin E are dark green vegetables including kale, broccoli, Swiss chard, and spinach. One very powerful antioxidant is vitamin E. Studies point to antioxidants possibly shielding the body from cytokines, pro-inflammatory chemicals. Among the nutrients dark green veggies offer are calcium, iron, folate, and vitamin K. Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale. Not only is kale a nutritional powerhouse among cruciferous vegetables. Don't overlook including in your diet cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and other cruciferous vegetables. Among the various vitamins and minerals found in cruciferous vegetables are potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin C. Additionally well known for bursting with antioxidants are these vegetables. Thanks in part to phytochemical sulforaphane, some studies indicate cruciferous vegetables may help lower cancer risk. Adults should aim for at least 2.5 cups of vegetables. Part of your daily vegetable intake can come from 1 cup of raw or cooked broccoli or 2 cups of raw bok choy. Moreover, flexible are cruciferous vegetables. You can construct a pizza crust from rice cauliflower. Just simple cooked beans. Together with balanced grains and veggies, chickpeas, black beans, and pinto beans offer a great meatless backbone for a nutritious dinner. Considered a source of plant protein, beans abound in fiber. Cook them yourself, drain and rinse a can, then toss them into salads, soups, casseroles, or curry meals including Indian dal. Other approaches to savor beans consist in combining them generates hummus, crushing them for a nibble, making treats out of them. Match them with pasta. Apple. Avocados are sometimes referred to by dietitians as a powerhouse superfood. Avocados provide about 20 minerals and vitamins, antioxidants, and good fats. One entire Hass avocado provides, not including the skin and seed. Fiber, more than 30% of the daily value. About 30% of the daily value of a B vitamin required to create new healthy cells is folate. About 36% of the recommended requirement is vitamin K, required for both bone health and blood coagulation. About 20% of the daily dose of vitamin C promotes the immune system and skin. About 13% of the recommended requirement is vitamin E, an antioxidant also supporting immune system function. About 20% of the daily value is potassium, required for neuron, muscle, and heart function as well as blood pressure control. More about everyday values. Sometimes resembling the recommended dietary allowances or adequate intake, daily values, or DVs, are nutritional amounts in one serving of food or a beverage. A person's age and sex will affect these values. Information regarding DVs for vitamins, minerals, macronutrients, or other food components including fiber and sodium is available from the Office of Dietary Supplements, ODS. Berries. These are high in phytonutrients and antioxidants that support digestion, maintain mental clarity, and fuel your heart. Polyphenol chemicals found in berries are well known to have anti-inflammatory properties for humans. These kind of fruits also contain vitamin C and fiber. Look for fresh berries that are firm, plump, and dry while shopping for groceries if you truly want to appreciate them at their best. Frozen foods. Among the healthiest foods in the frozen area are various fruits. Most frozen fruits are frozen soon after they are picked, so they allow for complete ripening. They thereby lock in many of their nutrients and are packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grain foods. Healthy plant-based protein, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals abound in whole grains. They are also rather high in fiber. They help your health from two kinds of fibers, soluble and insoluble. Overnight oats are one approach to increase your whole grains intake. Overnight oats are a good and healthy meal ready when you wake up if your mornings are hectic. You can schedule breakfasts for a whole week's worth of ingredients or just one. Medieval grains. Called ancient because they haven't altered much in hundreds of years, ancient grains like quinoa, amaranth, and teff. Many ancient grains are nutritional powerhouses high in lysine, an amino acid needed for tissue repair, calcium, fiber, and protein. Breakfast, oats. Oatmeal loads with potassium, fiber, and folate. Oat beta-glucan, a water-soluble fiber with cholesterol-lowering effects, makes this item also regarded as a heart-healthy one. Moreover, a rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids are oats if they are supplemented with omega-3s. Another excellent approach to enjoy oatmeal is to use simple old-fashioned oats and sweeten them with fruit and honey. A cursory review. Among the healthful foods are dark leafy greens, seafood, avocado, whole grains, berries, and extra virgin olive oil. Moderately prefer red and processed meat, canned or dried fruit, sweet cereals or flavored yogurts, and processed cheese replacements. Whatever you choose to consume, keep in mind that the objective is to receive sufficient of the nutrients that satisfy your nutritional demands.